Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish, most wearing, beautiful and trendy baby crochet cap designs, beautiful hat patterns, new designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, most wearing, beautiful baby crochet cap design, stylish cap, beautiful cap. New and trendy designing ideas for your sweet babies you can see in this my video. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. Your babies can wear these very beautiful caps in the birthday party or wedding party, especially for winter season. Beautiful and trendy baby crochet hat patterns you can see. Those babies who loves to wear such type of cap design. If you want to buy this very beautiful baby crochet cap design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful caps online these websites easily in very reasonable price. Beautiful color combination contrast is light colors, dark colors you can see. Every design is different and beautiful. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video and my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. Thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.